Hey everybody, Greg Stroud here with Benchmark Realty. Wanted to let you know about a great townhome we got for sale here. This is my listing here at 615 Old Hickory Boulevard, Unit 704. You're really close to the interstate, so it's easy to get on and off the interstate, about 15-20 minutes to downtown. It's really convenient. What this is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1368 on the square footage. It was built in 2022, so it's a very new townhome, and these owners have put a lot of upgrades into the townhome. So let's go in and take a look. So inside, we've got a great little area here, plenty of room for couches. We've got the curtains are staying, there's a roller shade in here for privacy. The flooring is LVT, and the owners opted for a electric fireplace, and your TV mount is ready to go. Got a beautiful ceiling fan in here too. Right here is where we're going to put our dining room table. It's going to go right here. I've got quartz countertops here. It's got great backsplash here. All the appliances are upgraded Whirlpool. This is a Whirlpool 4-door counter depth refrigerator. The exhaust fan is vented out. That's a nice feature. These are level 3 cabinets. And over behind us here on this side is some cubbies and a pantry. Out back is a nice little deck for grilling. Here's another great feature. The owners upgraded the steps. There's no carpet on these steps. We've got wood treads here, and they look great.
This is the primary suite for these out of the 2 bedrooms. We've got a nice upgraded ceiling fan here. This is a king-size bed, and there's plenty of room in this suite here for a king-size bed. Also got trees out the back for privacy. Here's a walk-in closet over here, and over here is the ensuite bath. Primary bath here has got a stand-up shower and dual vanities with chrome faucets. Plenty of counter space and drawers here on this panel. So I'm in the secondary bedroom, and this one too is a very large bedroom. Remember, there's no carpet on this second floor. All LVT has been placed on this second floor, so there's no carpet. Over here is my closet, another walk-in closet, a little bit smaller than the primary. And over here is a ensuite bathroom for the second bedroom. Just stepped outside here to wrap things up. Got a cute little front porch here, and this is 615 Old Hickory Boulevard, Unit 704, really close to the interstate here, easy to get to downtown. We are the subdivision is Harpeth Heights. It's built in 2022. Got a lot of upgrades in here. You need to come check it out. I am Greg Stroud with Benchmark Realty and Homes for Heroes, where we help heroes when they buy or sell a house. They get a hero award. You can contact me at 615-970-0056 or log in to rewardheroes.com and check us out. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.